Yeah. So good evening, guys. In this session, we are going to learn about the last thing where we stop. I told you that some of the commands are not running in your terminals, online terminals, right? So for that, we need to install the Linux terminal. So before that, you know why basically Linux are using for the DevOps? Do you know that DevOps is using to creating the server? We are going to create a server. This is a server. Inside the server, we want to create a folder. Suppose number of folders are there. We don't know, different folders are there. Out of this folder we created this one. This folder was created by us. Inside this folder I created one file. Inside the file I created just content. I added some content. Afterwards I can check the process, how many processes are running: p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, p6. How many processes are running, how many processes are terminated. That everything we can check. Whatever the DevOps is having the server, how many, whatever the terms are happening here, we can check through the Linux using command. That commands we are going to learn to do. Okay. So basically we learned previous session also. So again we are going to learn the same thing. So you know WSL, what do you mean by this? Window subsystem for Linux. Which means so many people are saying, sir, I was unable to install the Ubuntu, I was unable to run the commands of Linux. How we are going to do in the window? It's clear, guys. Go with search bar, just write the turn option, you will get the option like this. So many options are providing by that window features. Window is giving you so many options. One of the option is this. Check it, click on OK, khatam. Before OK, you are getting the option of reboot. Reboot your system. Once you're done, come back your CMD. CMD, run as administrator. Yes, just write WSL space hyphen install. What it will say, let's see. A distribution with the supply name already exists, which means it was already in my system. If it is not in my system, it is going to start the process of installing. If it is in system, just click on WSL, automatically it will take me into the Linux command, Linux page. PWD, parent present working directory, ls. It will going to list out all the files which is stored in my system. So coming to the listing the files in system, we are having three command: ls, another one ls space minus l. This is going to list out the detail. This is going to list out the files of which are detail list. See, it is giving you so many details, right? It is giving you so many number of details. Control C, come back. Now ls space minus l a, which is going to give you the hidden file information. It will take few time. See, if your system is having so many unnecessary things, unnecessary hidden files, so it will take little bit time, guys. So many hidden files are there. Get it? And come back. Understand? Now what I will do, I will just create a folder, bankdir project. This is one of my folder. So now what I did, I created one folder, right? Just remember, just remember what I did. Remove the thing about the server. Don't think about server. I created fully. This is the server. Inside that, I created folder. Right? F. Now, next target is gdir space add space log space backup. We are creating multiple folders. Right? So many folders we are creating. App logs, backup, different folders we are creating. If you check somewhere, it will be there. So many things are there. We are unable to see it, right? Whatever. Now, I want to open my folder. Whatever I created, I want to open my folder. Now I was in my folder page. Previously, suppose I am here. Now I came here. I am in this place. Year to year I came. Now what I will do? I can also come back. See this page dot dot. Now I was in my current position. Now guys, I want to be in my project and I want to create any file. So touch app dot text. Understand? So what is happening? I was creating so many files. Touch F1, F2, F3. It was creating. Sorry. It's not touch. Touch F1, F2, F3. It was creating me more files. Okay. So what I did inside the folder, I was creating so many files. What are they? App dot text F1, F2, F3. This all are the files we are creating inside the folder. Now I want to write something. So cat app dot text. Nothing is there. How you are going to write? Cat, sorry, echo, write hello world app dot txt. So now you can check your cat command. So to echo, yes, we are getting the options to give the content. So I created this file inside. I create given the content like hello world. Yes, using echo command. Using cat command, we can visual this command content. Got it? Done. Now I can go with Vim. Vim app.txt. I can open it. Hello world is there. This one inside this Vim, I can write number of things. So before writing anything, we need to space I, which define you insert. Now I can do edit. I want to write hello uh, DevOps. Then I want to write welcome to Linux. Atam escape comma WQ exclamation mark. Come back. Open again. You can check. So guys, there is another option in Vim. What is the option? Come into the Vim. We can write the content. We can write anything. We can create the file. So now open the Vim is automatically going to open when you write the command. You know, if you want to come back, escape this comma WQ exclamation mark. Right now, I want to read my file. Catch app dot text. You can see what is my knock. Content is there. Alright. So in the previous day, we learned that how we are going to change the content, how we are going to replace the content, how we are going to add on the content. That is a different method. This is a different method, right? If you want to add on more and more content, you can do it, right? Like echo, hello, dunia. So you need to write just like this app dot txt. Now you can go with this. Hello dunia is written, right? Yes. If you mention single notation, Vinyas, let's check what is going to be happen. Only I love Vinyas. But is replacing everything with the previous data. Hello Vinyas is replaced. That time something else. Now it was something else. Okay. I wanted to copy CP app.text backup.text. Whatever the content we are having in the app, we can visual in the backup.text. See it is there. Because I am copying from app, I was sharing it to the backup. Okay. Now basically we are going to copy the container file, not the folder. Most of time we are going to copy the files and content. If you want to move something, add.txt to new add.txt. तो अपन ये भी चेक कर लेते क्या होता है मूव बोले राइट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मूव मूव ऐप सो कॉपी इज कॉपिंग moving means if I check cat app.txt nothing is there because every data was shared to the new app. Yes, catch backup still it is there. Delete any file. rm app.text. Let's see what is happening. No such file. Yeah, backup. It was deleted, right? If I go with cat backup, no directive. Similarly, rm f1 deleted. Got it? Process management. Now we are going to talk about process. PS is going to talk you about the process, running process. So we are having only two process, Bash and PS. Now PS space hyphen EF. It is showing you detail of all the process. Seriously, within the PS we are getting only two processes running, but coming to now it was showing so many process detail. You want specific process. See error. Garbage option was showing. It was showing me the garbage option because the thing is you don't have that process. Yes or no? If you're having not that process, which it is showing something. Yeah, my process is running. Engine process is running. The process ID is this 1117. Now, guys, let's go with the top. It will show me from top. I go with htop. It will say htop command is not installed. Sudo apt install htop. Here, remember. So we need to remember our password. If you are not remember, you know what will going to happen? Saying you. It will going to give you three chances to get the password. If you're not able to get your password, you are not able to open it. Right? To install the stop, you need to get the account. Process ID. Previously or now, coming to process ID. Then is EF. When this command we are going to check the process ID. Flip, Nginx. Here I am getting process ID, right? I want to kill this process. Kill 1174. What are we going to? No process. No process. Kill 6 3. Right, we'll going to kill. Because that is my process ID. How many processes running? 29 processes running. What is this? Check about the CPU memory used, how many free, like that. Yes, this much used, zero. How much pending? This much. This much used, this much pending. If I go with disk, it will going to show you the space of this. Next one is very important. If you want to add any user, sudo user add DevOps. So we will ask you password of the new user, that is DevOps. Again same 3 attempt it will going to give you. Within 3 attempt we are not logging with the new, we can't do anything. We need another process with the password and the ID. That's it. You want to switch user. From here you are going to get the identification. We are going to say invalid option. Uh, it is going to say user DevOps does not exist to the user entry, does not contain all the required field, does not exist. That DevOps user is not exist. ls space minus n. Put it. Now we can read, write, read, like that we are getting the options. You want to change the permission. Chmod 777 uptake. What is suppose mkdir f1. I change my folder. Got it? Touch f6 f5 chmod f5. Then so coming to app.txt, was not there. If I do like this chmod new app dot text, it is showing not found video main from dep. This is not there. Command leave it over chmod. Whatever the file you are mentioning, it is not there, right? Let's go with a different one. 644 new app dot text. This can, this is going to change your permissions. You want to install any packages like sudo apt update. For everything, it is going to ask you the password. See, I got my password back and now it is running. So what it is doing, it is updating everything. Now if I want to install Nginx server, Nginx server. So the command is sudo apt install nginx -y. Why it is getting installed? My server is getting installed. I want to start my somewhere. How? Sudo system ctl start nginx. My nginx server is started. If you want to stop, just write here stop. Understood? I want to restart. Restart. Again was restart. If you check the status, you can check the status. Working process. Memory is this much. Process. Main process ID. Everything. If you want to make it enable stage, it is showing enability. Now we will go to learn about networking command like IP space A. This is the network ID. My IP address. If config. No, no, no. Let's check the network. Ping google.com. So this is happening what my Google is running backend. So just control C come back to stop the running instance. Got it. If you want to download any file, so widget, we are having widget option. For download, just go with a Google Tiger image. Select one of the Tiger image. Now, suppose I was selecting this. Uh, this is the Tiger image. This copy, just paste it. Yes. Indian Tiger was stored. This Indian Tiger store on my project folder. We are having like tail app dot tail. What is my file name? New app dot pl. My file was not there. Tail. Search inside file. You want to search anything inside a file. You know what? First of all, we didn't have any option. We didn't have any that folder. To search any content in the folder, we need to talk about the folder. Folder is there or not. If your folder is not there, how you are going to check your content, right? So now, uh, catch new app. app.py. Let's see more such. Wow, sorry, txt. Yeah, content is there. Now what I will do, I will just go with grep uh, n, sorry, l, new app.txt. Let's check. Once we check what is it is showing, double L in the red color. It is showing that that is a character is in your system. Okay. So the hyphen h, it is going to talk about the disk. View space hyphen sh project. It is going to be give you project is not there. So if I want to write like yeah, see what it is doing. How many disk is free? If I write view and I'm mentioning new app, where is that new app? Dot txt, again zero disk. Got it. So this is what is basically happening, guys. If you want to learn about real DevOps workflow, this is the main thing that like mkdir, my app, then you will go with cd my app, right? Then you will go with the touch option app.py, done. Then you will go with a vim app.py. It will going to open, just click on I, then write something HELLLOO, escape, column, khatam, come back, done. Just a no. One more thing we will do. Open this, print, sorry, mention. Now, print, where is bracket, hello, done. Now, cat app.py. So print hello. So Vin is saying that, just a minute. No, print hello is there, right? Remaining is deleted because I deleted the things. Okay. So basically, we are having like PWD is the one of the best, but an ls space L, that is another one. mkdir, was just seeing mkdir, hhh, one of the useful touch, akl, okay, vim file dot, sorry, app.py. It will going to use, you know, these all are the tools you are going to use, guys. B space minus m. So this is going to be used basically for the DevOps tool. Okay. Got it. So I hope you understand. So in the upcoming classes, we will go with the new terms. Okay. Chalo, bye guys.